YouTube, my name is 0reoCakes, and today I am here to show you how to do some minimal makeup. I don't wear a lot of makeup. I don't really wear foundation much. I have acne and I choose not to irritate it even further. Featuring Einstein. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how to go from looking like this to looking like this. Anyway, I'm gonna get right into it. I also stream on Twitch. I can't fucking spin. I don't know what I was doing, but if you like watching gamers on Twitch, but yeah. So this is just like a little contour stick. So what I do is I put some of this under my eyeballs because I don't sleep enough. So I try to brighten up under my eyes. And as you can see, it does a little something. It doesn't do too much, but it makes me feel better. I like doing that. Like I said, it doesn't really do that much, but it just makes my eyes a little brighter for my own taste. I actually got this off the TikTok shop, but there's also like the side that you could actually like do like real contour with that if you wanted to, but this is what I use it for. And then they go in with a little powder. And now we've really brightened up our eyeball a little bit. Eyeballs. There's two of them, Oreo. As you can see, my eyes look a little bit more bright now. I like that much better. Now I'm just gonna go in with some eyeliner, so bear with me. I don't like doing my eyeliner in here, but I'm gonna do it for you guys. I always draw my tail first. As you can see, I went up that way. Don't really like this tail, but we're gonna roll with it and see if I have to redo it. Sometimes I redo them because I don't like them, and that's okay. I don't know, I might not like this. Or I might, I don't know yet. And I have not decided. Kind of big, but we could wear lashes today with this look. Wear some big lashes. Oops. I closed my eyes weird and it kind of put like a line right there, but it's not really that noticeable. I'm actually partially blind in one eye, so I can't close this eye while I'm doing my eyeliner. I can close my other eye, but not this one, because then I wouldn't be able to see shit. I'm kind of just like thickening it out and like evening it out and trying to decide if I like this or not yet. And like, I'm not perfect. I made some mistakes over here, as you can see. It's kind of like bumpy and I'm making it worse. I'm gonna like stretch out my eye real quick and fix that real quick. That looks good. I'm kind of thick today. But I fucks with it. Yeah, I fucks with that. Now we just gotta do the same thing over there and make it thick as fuck. Shit. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Alright, so... might want to go like that a little bit right here. Just like eyeball that on the thickness. Hopefully it works out. Looks good so far. Fill it in. You can always redo it if we need to. This is supposed to be minimal. See, this eye I can actually close and go like that. Make my line perfect. It's a lot easier for me to do this eye than it is to do the other eye. That is not even. That is not even. Alright, that one just went up a little bit more than the other one. Like that. Make this one go up slightly more. Match the attitude over there. They're not perfectly even. But they look good. I said I'm no professional about makeup. I like to look cute. Some big ass lean. That means we can do some big ass lashes to match the attitude. I'm making this worse. I was trying to like fix it. I only made it worse. So you see how I have this like smudge over here now? I have this contour stick, right? Smudge be gone. And then a little bit of powder. A lot of powder. And a little bit of line. Line fix, and we fix that. I think I'll like this much more with lashes. This side is the side I don't like right now. But I think that with lashes, it'll improve. I don't know, we'll see. It's kind of like because of that. That's alright. Alright, anyway. So now I'm gonna contour my nose just a little bit. Just a little bit. Nothing crazy. And I'll put this middle. Then I'll powder it down. Just a little bit. Didn't really do anything, but blurry. There we go. Didn't really do much of anything, but we did it anyway. And now we do my favorite part is freckles. So the way I do my freckles is I have my finger, I have my black, not my black, I have brown eyeliner. I use like dark brown eyeliner because my complexion is more dark. You might have to, like, if you are, you know, a little bit less mulatto, you might want to use like a light brown. But I just put little dots on my finger and then I put them on my face. And now we are having freckles. Now you can also put it directly to your face, but I don't know. I like the effect this has most of the time. As you can see, this one kind of messed up a little bit, so I'm just like rubbing it on the edges just to round it off and like kind of fade where it messed up, just to make me feel better. And those are all dry already. You might have to like dip back in because like sometimes like the dots can like be a little faded on your finger, so you want them to look, get it, I can get it to zoom it, but you want it to look like a dot. You don't want there to be like holes in your dot when you're doing it, and then you have an incomplete freckle. Some random ones, and you can also like touch these ones that you put on your face. And I usually like put a dot like right here and I make sure it's thick, and then I touch that one and I use that for my nose because I don't want my nose freckles to be as like thick as the freckles that I'm putting on my cheek. I like those to be smaller. See, we are now covered in little freckles. They're so cute. They make me happy. One that's messed up that I'm gonna fix. Letting those dry because then I am doing my favorite part. Nice and dry. Don't want to do this before they are dry because then you'll smear your freckles. Get your blush. This is, like I said, my favorite part. Wearing an e-girl now. Like I said, I'm probably gonna wear lashes with that, so I'm gonna go get those. And then do my hair. So I'll be RV. Voila! This is a finished result. I put on lashes. I did my hair. I put it in little poofies. This part of my hair is kind of wet still, but it's gonna puff up. It's gonna look cute. Where's my? There you go. I got this nourishing lip tint from Bath and Body Works, and I really like it. There's my lips. There's my lip for stream today. So if you're not following me on Twitch, you absolutely should. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!